So we're going to look at unpacking ZD621 printer. Unpacking the 421 would be a very similar process, and the one we've got here is a 621 thermal transfer version. So you open the box up. First thing you see on the inside flap is a little packing guide. So if you ever have to put the printer and its parts back in the box, that's the guide to how to do it. First thing you get, or you see when you open up, are these spindles. These spindles are used for the ribbon. The two cardboard ones are used for the take-up spindles on either the 74 or 300 meter zebra desktop ribbons. And the two yellow plastic ones are used if you're not using a zebra desktop printer but a third-party one. You use those to mount a third-party ribbon into the printer. Underneath that there's a little bit of paperwork, the regulatory guide that tells you about the various mandatory compliance certifications that we have for the printer, a very short safety guide in multiple languages, some QR codes on a card that give you links into frequently requested places, so quick answers, downloads and the like on a QR code lookup. And then probably most importantly is the quick start guide. This is a two-sided, quite large piece of paper, as you can see. Minimal use of words on it, but it's there to give you the knowledge, the visual knowledge on how to set the printer up, how to get it working for the first time if you've never done that. So that's well worth doing and reading and using if you've never set the printer up before. So underneath those documents are the two flaps that open up, and you get some cables, a UK power cord, Euro power cord, and a USB cable. And also there will be the desktop power supply. So standard Zebra desktop power supply to plug in the back of the printer. You take this piece of protective cardboard out, and underneath that is the printer. Careful when you're lifting the printer out of the box, in a plastic bag, and there is your ZD621 thermal transfer printer. So if you haven't set it up before, the next thing to do would be to look at that quick start guide that I mentioned and get your printer connected and printing.